Did you know there's a way to get more views on videos that you've already uploaded? There's also a place in your YouTube studio that tells you exactly what video to post next. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 10 YouTube hacks, features, and strategies that you may not have known existed. And at the end, I do have an honorable mention that didn't quite make the top 10, but I feel like it's completely underutilized, so I thought it was worth mentioning. As you can see, I've been making videos like this since 2020 on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and every single time there's always at least one hack that blows your mind. So without further ado, timestamps are below, use them if you need them. Let's jump into it. Hack number 1 is a feature I think all of us know about, but nobody uses, and that is A/B testing with your YouTube thumbnails. While this one might not sound like some super secret hack, it is one of the key ways that you can increase your video's performance. Your thumbnails are the most important thing that you could work on as a YouTuber because they heavily determine the performance of your video, whether somebody will click or not click on it. And if you're somebody who's struggling to get views on YouTube, you're coming up with one thumbnail idea and just posting that video, you are doing yourself a disservice. My team and I, we actually create 2 to 3 thumbnail concepts per video, and every single time we upload, we're A/B testing 2 to 3 concepts. This has helped me take my channel's click-through rate from a 3% to over 5%, which is a huge jump for me and my channel's usual click-through rate. And this is actually something that has increased my views on videos I've already posted. Which leads me to hack number 2. For videos that you've already posted, you can go back and update thumbnails and create A/B tests for those videos. Again, I know this doesn't sound like anything that's, oh my gosh, wow, wow, wee, wow, that's so amazing. But one of my students, she had a video that had 151 views. She was struggling to get views on it. It was a video she had posted a while ago, and she updated the thumbnail. Overnight, she had an increase of over 3,000 views. 3,000 views. Just from simply changing her thumbnail. I don't think people understand the importance of thumbnails and how you can use A/B testing to your advantage. It's such a hack that I don't think people even know it's a hack, but it is. It totally is. It's so worth it. It can be game-changing for your videos and for your channel. Hack number 3 is another hack that can help with your video performance when it comes to videos that you've already posted. And that is to cut out low retention moments in your videos. Now, if you have enough data on your video, you'll be able to see your audience retention graph. And you're going to look out for big drops or other drop-off points throughout that graph. Those points are all telling you moments where your audience is clicking off, they're getting bored with your video, or they're no longer engaged. What you're going to do is you're actually going to cut out and clip out using YouTube's editor those moments where you see the drop off. Since these moments are already creating low engagement for you or people are getting bored at those moments, cutting those clips out can actually improve the overall pacing of your video and your overall video's performance. This is a hack that I learned from another YouTuber, Marcus Jones. Go check out his channel. With this one hack, he was able to increase views on multiple of his videos, but one in particular that I wanted to highlight went from practically not getting any views to almost going viral overnight and now has over 4 million views, as you can see from this graph. Hack number 4 is to use YouTube Studio's Inspiration tab for video topic ideas. This is both for long form and short form content. Whether you have access to this feature or not will vary depending on how often you've posted, how much you've posted, or even if YouTube has enough data to gather from your channel to give you inspiration topics. What you're going to do is go to YouTube Studio, check your analytics tab, and on the top where you have all those other options, you're going to choose inspiration. This is also available to you if you have the YouTube Studio app on your phone. Based on the content you are already uploading to your channel, YouTube is going to show you what is working well for other people and what topics are trending in your industry. You can use this to spark inspiration for your future video ideas because YouTube's telling you, hey, your audience that we analyze are interested in these topics. They're watching these videos already. You should do your own variation of them. If you don't have access to this feature, if you're somebody who maybe doesn't resonate with some of the ideas they're giving you, or if in general you just struggle coming up with video ideas, I have plenty of videos on my channel to help you with that. Plus, I also have a free workshop that teaches you how to come up with 4 months of content in 1 hour. This is one of my favorite workshops that I've ever taught because I created an interactive workbook that you can fill out as you go through the webinar. That way, by the end of the hour power. You actually did the work. You have 4 months of content ideas, and it's not just general ideas. These are ways to come up with ideas that your audience is actually interested in and ideas that will perform well for your channel. So if that sounds interesting to you, I'll be sure to leave a link to that free workshop below. Hack number 5 is we now have the ability to create custom shorts thumbnails. This is something that YouTube did recently come out with, and while you would assume that you can upload your own shorts thumbnail, that's not quite the case yet. Like when you go to the YouTube studio on your desktop, go to a short or try to upload a short, you will see you cannot upload a thumbnail. Instead, it directs you to go to the YouTube app to choose your shorts thumbnail. Within the YouTube app, after you've uploaded your short, you've got it ready to post. Up on the top left-hand side where there's that preview to your video, there's a little pen icon. Click on that icon, and then you'll be able to choose a frame from that video. Not only that, you can add a filter and text to that frame so that it acts as that video's thumbnail. So while I'm sure a lot of us are waiting for the ability to be able to upload our own custom thumbnails that we've created for shorts, this is a nice workaround for getting a nice hook or click-worthy text onto your short to get more people to click into it. Now, before moving on to our next hack, I have a bonus hack for those of you who need help making your content more entertaining or engaging, and that is to use B-roll throughout your video to change up the shots and keep your viewers' attention. Now, I know filming a bunch of different shots takes up a lot of time, but you don't actually have to film your own B-roll. You can use a stock media subscription service like Storyblocks. Now, I've been using Storyblocks since 2021, and if you've been subscribed here for some time, you already know I talk about them a lot over on this channel. So I'm super grateful to be able to say that this video is sponsored by Storyblocks. So Storyblocks has an unlimited library of diverse and high quality media for one predictable subscription cost. They have everything you need to create high quality video with over 1 million 4K HD footage, templates, music, sound effects, images, and so much more. It's super easy to use, from searching to editing to publishing your video. I have a video here where I'm editing on CapCut, and I show you how I implement B-roll and edit using Storyblocks, so you could watch that video next. And the best part is anything you download with Storyblocks is 100% royalty free, which keeps you legally covered as a creator so you could focus on doing what you love, creating, without having to worry about double checking legal rights on clips that you want to use for your video. John and I had a shoot where we were filming a commercial for a brand in the sand dunes, and we had already gotten all of our main shots, and so we were like, let's get some B-roll shots. John got his drone out, and he was flying the drone through the sand dunes and crashed his drone and broke it in a sand dune pile. If we had just used Storyblocks to use their B-roll, probably would have saved us a chunk of money and a drone. So if you're somebody who likes the idea of saving time and your drone, then get started with unlimited stock media downloads at one set price at storyblocks.com/modernmillie, or click the link in the description. Hack number 6 is adding related videos to your shorts. I don't think this one is like an unknown feature, but I do think it is possibly underutilized because I feel like they just slid it right in under the radar, and I didn't know about it for forever. And then when we started posting shorts again, my team and I were like, wait, what's this? Oh my gosh, we should use it. So basically, when uploading, publishing, or even editing your short in your YouTube studio, you can select related video to encourage viewers to watch a related long form video. This is a great way to connect your short form viewers to your long form content. For example, if I post a 6-7 second short that says, try this transition in your next video, I can now choose related video and direct people to some of my transition tutorial long-form videos. Shorts viewers don't always translate to long-form viewers, but I think this is a seamless way to try to integrate them and connect them together. If you want proof for why I believe this is a hack and this works, we could just take a look at my own analytics, for example. Before I was implementing this, because again, we didn't even know this was a thing over here with my team, my analytics stated that only 6% of my audience watched both my shorts and YouTube videos. But after 2 days of going back and editing the shorts to make sure all of them referred and connected to a long form video, that went up to 8%. And that was literally less than 48 hours. So I'm excited to see a long period of time how this feature actually helps and improves connect that audience together. Hack number 7, if you press the subscribe button right now, then my subscriber number actually increases by 1 person, which is like super crazy. And also, if you comment or like this video, YouTube actually recognizes you as a really, really, really cool person. So definitely try that hack out. Joking, hack number 7, while we're talking about referencing other videos within your videos, this next hack is a hack that can help you gradually get more views as your channel grows. And that is to utilize your pinned comment to lead people to other YouTube videos. Obviously, there are so many ways to get people to binge your content, like adding cards to your videos and referencing another video of yours during the outro of your YouTube video so that at the end you can put an end screen and then it's like the video you're referencing to get people to naturally keep watching your channel. But another thing that you could do is adding a pinned comment to your video to reference the next video somebody could watch. This is a great strategy because we love hanging out in the comments. Everybody loves hanging out in the comment section anyway. So you're gonna write a comment, paste the link to your video, and make sure you press the 3 dots to pin that comment to the top of your comment section. Now, another itty bitty hack within this hack that you could do is when you're leading people to videos, you could actually lead them to videos within a playlist. That way, when you lead people to a video within a playlist and that video ends, it just keeps playing through the videos in your playlist, giving you more watch time, more watch hours. Hack number 8 is bulk video editing. This hack isn't necessarily one to help get you more views, but it's just a feature that I don't think a lot of people know about, and it could come in handy someday. When you're on your desktop, and this is desktop only, within your YouTube studio under the Content tab, you can select videos that you want to edit all at once. There might be multiple reasons you want to bulk edit a bunch of videos at once, updating tags, visibility, monetization, ad settings, all of that. The most recent time that I used this was when my YouTube channel was hacked. Yes, my YouTube channel was completely hacked and then taken down and I lost all of my stuff, but luckily I was able to get it back, hence you watching this video. So if you want to hear more about my channel getting hacked and how I got it back, you could definitely watch this video up in the card. But where this hack came in handy was the hacker actually privatized all of my content and turned monetization off on all of my content. So I was able to go through, select specific videos that I wanted public again, and turn monetization back on. Yes, I could press select all and do it for all videos, but there are videos on my YouTube channel that are purposefully unlisted because they're part of like funnels and my email funnels and stuff like that. So this was just like a great way to be able to bulk edit my videos without having to do them one at a time, which would have been a pain in the butt. Hack number 9 is being able to blur faces or objects in post-production or after uploading a YouTube video to YouTube. This is something that I have used to blur out personal information in my video that I didn't catch when originally uploading that video or editing that video. Like sometimes I'll do screen recording tutorials on my laptop, upload those videos, and I didn't catch that I used like my personal email address, or I show one of my students information of their email address, their last name. And that's information that usually I'm pretty diligent at catching when giving revisions to my editors of like, oh, can you please blur that out? But every once in a while, there will be something that slips through the cracks. And when my team or when somebody watches it while it's live, I'm like, oh shoot, we gotta blur that out fast. And luckily you're able to after uploading a video. So what you're going to do is on your desktop, again, go to YouTube Studio, click Content, and of course open the video or short that you want to add the blurring effect onto. On the left-hand side, click Editor, and when you're in the editor, you will see a blur option where you can hide sensitive information. Like maybe you're vlogging and you accidentally put your car's license plate in the back of the video, or maybe you got your home address, your home street sign, you're able to blur out and hide sensitive information. Hack number 10 is the ability to search YouTube scripts for keywords. This one is more for like users of YouTube or like watchers, viewers, people who like to watch other people's videos, as opposed to like YouTube creators. Unless you're somebody that's like doing research on a specific topic, this could also come in handy. Basically, when you're watching somebody else's video and you want to quickly search for a topic, and they don't have timestamps, you can actually search through that video's transcript to help you find the information you're looking for quicker. What you're going to do is expand the description of the video you're watching, scroll towards the bottom and click on Show Transcript. After clicking that, you're going to type Command F on your keyboard to search through that transcript and find the specific word that you're looking for. After pressing Control F, you're going to type in that keyword or that phrase that you're looking for in that video, and then you'll be able to see in the transcript the timestamp where that subject comes up, so then you're able to easily navigate through long form videos a lot quicker when the creator doesn't have timestamps. For our honorable mention, I wanted to talk about clipping your long form videos into shorts. Now, while most people know this feature exists, I have like a little secret hack that I do to make this process easier. So the feature, if you don't know, is there is a clip button on your long form videos that lets you choose a specific section of that video to upload as a short. When you do that, it will connect that short with your long form video, again, helping viewers transition from shorts viewers to long form viewers. Now, here's the thing. Repurposing long form videos to short form isn't always a strategy I recommend for somebody who wants to grow, right? It's more of a strategy to maintain your presence on a platform. But a little handy dandy little hack that I do, this is somebody that if you script your videos, this is gonna work well for you. I script my video, right? And then as I look through that final script, I ask myself, okay, are there moments in here that I can create like a 10-second moment, a 30-second moment, or a 60-second educational moment where I can purposely adjust my script so that it makes sense. Hook, deliver the meat, outro, or just hook and deliver the meat within my long form content. Because sometimes just like clipping random moments of a video feels random when the viewer watches the video. They're like, oh, this is obviously a random point. We don't really know the back story of this. We don't know this moment of this. It feels random when you're just clipping randomly. So I try to be more strategic. If my team ever wants to clip a video, I make sure that within my script, I have like 1 or 2 moments in that video where clipping will be easy and be natural for the shorts viewer. Hope I explained that well. I don't know if I did. If I didn't, let me know in the comments and I could do a better explanation on that. Now, if you're somebody who wants to increase your views here on YouTube, be sure to watch this video next, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Follow your joy. Bye. Sweet.